How to remove the enter your email address pop-up in Power BI desktop. I'm going to show you how to disable the feature that triggers this pop-up so you can work with your visualizations without being interrupted. So to get started, open Power BI desktop, click on the File tab in the top left corner. This will take you back to the main view of Power BI desktop. Next, look towards the bottom left corner and click on Options and Settings. Then select Options. Once you're inside the Options menu, look at the sections on the left and navigate to Global. Then find and select Preview Features. After that, look through the available preview features for Translytical Task Flow. According to the steps in this tutorial, this feature can trigger the email address pop-up. Next, disable Translytical Task Flow by unchecking the box next to it. Once you've made this change, click OK to apply the settings. After that, save your work and completely close Power BI Desktop. Then open Power BI Desktop again so the changes can take effect. Once you've restarted the application, try adding or modifying a visualization element. The enter your email address pop-up should no longer appear, allowing you to continue working without the interruption.